Hello everybody, today we'll begin with chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this chapter, we'll cover certain topics, which includes the introduction of the chapter, then factors and multiples, then we'll include prime and the composite numbers, followed by test for the divisibility of numbers, then we have the common factors and the multiples, followed by some more divisibility rules, then prime factorization method, also highest common factor, lowest common multiple, which in short we say HCF and LCM, and we'll take some problems on HCF and LCM also. Now let's begin with an example for this chapter. See, you can see some apples over here. Now why these are here? Okay, so now let us arrange all these 6 apples in rows in such a way that each row has the same number of apples. So how many ways are there for this arrangement? Let's check it out. Let's have one apple in one row, then we have the second apple in the second row, then we have third apple, fourth, fifth and sixth apple. So 6 different rows, we have 6 different apples. In one row, one apple, followed by which indicates that 1 into 6, that gives you 6. So we have arranged 6 in a way that in one row, one apple is there. So 1 times 6, we have 1 into 6. Any other way in which we can arrange this? Let's check it out. Let us have now 2 apples or 3 apples, or in any other way we can say in one row let us arrange 2 apples. So 2 apples in one row, 2 apples in the second row and 2 apples in the third row. In all we have 6 apples. So here we can say how many rows are there? There are 3 rows and in one row there are 2 apples. So we say here that 2 into 3, 2 times 3, that also gives you 6. So we arrange 6 apples in this way. Is there any other way also in which we can arrange? Let's check it out. So here let's just assume that there are 3 apples in a row. Now in the second row, how many apples will be there? Correct. So here we'll have 3 more apples in the second row. Now the arrangement will state that 2 rows and 3 apples in a row. So here we can say 3 times 2, that gives you 6. Is there any other way in which we can arrange these 6 apples? Let us find out. So here 1 apple, second apple, third, fourth, fifth and sixth apple. All these 6 apples are arranged in one row. So here we say that they are arranged in a manner like 6 times 1, that also gives you 6. So here we have arranged 6 apples into different ways, in different types, like 1 into 6, then we arranged 2 into 3, we have arranged 3 into 2 and now as 6 into 1. So these are the different combinations and these are arranged, you can say 6 apples in one row, then 6 apples in 2 rows, 6 apples in 3 rows, 6 apples in 6 rows in different ways. Now what are these? 1, 2, 3. What are these for 6? We call them as the exact divisor of 6. They are also called as the factors of 6. So how can we define the factor? A factor, you can say it is an exact divisor of the number. Like a number 6 is exactly divisible by 3. What do you understand by exactly divisible? Now it means if on dividing it we get a remainder equal to 0, then we say it is an exact divisor of the number. For example, let's see again factors and multiples, the next topic that we'll cover here.